It's that time again, y'all. Hey everybody, this is David with Liberty Suppressors, and what I have today is the Vector. We have basically built the most user-friendly silencer on earth. This silencer is designed from the ground up with ease of maintenance, user modularity. We have it where you can configure it depending on what you want to do. It has good suppression. It has the right metals in the right areas. You don't need super alloys for a tube when the tube is doing nothing more than holding it together. So we've chosen aluminum for the tube. We've chosen stainless steel for the baffles so that they're easy to clean and they come out of the tube effortlessly. When you fill it up with crud, it's no big deal to take it apart and clean it. We've also designed it to where it's user serviceable with simple off-the-shelf tools. A 3/8 ratchet fits the front cap. That's it. It comes with a ring that goes on the back cap so that once you take the front apart and get the baffles out, this can be screwed out of the back. It's screwed in hand tight. The front cap is screwed in and torqued to about 4 foot-pounds, about 45, 48 inch-pounds, which is, once it stops turning, it's about 1/8 of a turn further, is what we've found through testing to get you to that magic number of tension. The baffle assembly is completely self-contained inside of this tube. What that means for the end user is that the baffles will come out effortlessly. The baffles inside of this tube do not touch the tube at any point. They are self-contained inside of this tube, but free of it. That way, the tube does nothing more than hold it all together. We added gas deflection technology to the baffles to keep the material that builds up on the tube wall on the inside from building up in the joints where the baffles meet. Now, if you shoot it 15,000 rounds, you're probably gonna get some buildup in that corner. But for standard cleaning intervals, like seriously, 2,000 rounds, the baffles should come apart in your fingers. From our testing here, they have. If you don't like to take your silencer apart very often, or you shoot a lot in one day, the Vector's for you. The Vector is also designed to be modular in assembly. You have the option of running it as a 5-inch suppressor or as a 6-inch suppressor. And by allowing this modularity, if you want to run it in a shorter configuration on like your .22 rifle, there's about a 5 decibel difference by adding these two baffles onto the end as opposed to not having them. So it gives you the option to run it as a shorter suppressor or a longer one, depending on what you'd rather have, whether you have compact design or better suppression. Here's the Vector on a .22 Magnum. Actually sounds pretty good on the .22 Magnum. Sounds pretty good, don't it?